we're going to get some snow.
Yeah,
or maybe a lot of it in some areas.
In some areas, yeah. This seems like the first real week of winter.
Yeah, it definitely feels like that outside too.
Yeah, I feel like so far this winter it's been, you know, a little bit of snow here, a little bit of snow there, but yeah, we could be seeing 10 to 20 inches over the first part of this upcoming week with this snow event moving through. So yeah, it's definitely going to be busy, that's for sure. Satellite and radar right now, though, at least is a little quiet. We did see that squall move through earlier. That brought us just a bit of snow. Again, it moves relatively quickly, but it created an issue momentarily. Now all quiet. However, we do have a lot of active weather on the way, and that's going to last for a decent part of this upcoming week. So first and foremost, a winter storm warning will go into place tomorrow at 1 p.m. for areas north. This would be northern Erie County, Niagara County, Genesee, and Orleans counties. That's going to last again until Wednesday, 4 p.m. For areas south, that warning doesn't go into place until Monday at 7 a.m. That's for southern Erie County, also Chautauqua and Cattaraugus County. So here's future look, timing it all out. Not a whole lot of synoptic moisture right now. So when this band initially sets up early tomorrow morning, it's going to be relatively weak, possibly bringing us just a few flakes. It's really not going to ramp up until we get later in the evening on Sunday. You can see with the direction of the wind, it's heading towards the Buffalo area and the North Towns, which is not usually what we see. But there it is when it intensifies overnight Sunday into Monday. And then finally, we do end up seeing a little bit more widespread snow and a little bit more of a shift south. Although the highest hit area as far as snow totals is probably going to be closer to the Buffalo area. That band lingers in the southern tier then as we go overnight Monday into Tuesday. And again, a little bit of snow potentially for everybody on the tail end of this weather event. As we get through the day on Tuesday, it looks as of right now like the band is likely going to be shifting up further north. Active week ahead in terms of any kind of precipitation. Again, we're starting off the next couple of days with a little bit of snow. Looks like midweek we do have some additional chances for some snow. Let's look at what those snow totals are expected to be with this event right now. These are the latest projections now through Tuesday evening. Again, Erie County appears to be the hardest hit southern tier. Actually, not a whole lot comparatively speaking. Future wind gusts, we're going to see a lot of blowing and drifting snow, potentially creating some visibility issues as well. Take a look at this. This is where it's going to be the worst as we get through the day on Monday. We could see wind gusts in the 40-mile-an-hour range. And again, the entire week, the first part of the week here is going to be very, very breezy. And we have this Arctic air coming down. Look at this as we get through this week. The coldest temperatures we've seen so far. We are going to be seeing a whole lot of wind chills actually in the negative digits as we start off here this upcoming week. So tonight, 18 degrees is where we're going. Again, possibly a few scattered snow showers. Wind chills, again, below zero right here. Tomorrow, those snow showers again. And again, the heaviest snow is going to come tomorrow night into Monday. Look at these temperatures. We've issued a weather impact alert for Monday and Tuesday. Look at that. The lows Monday into Tuesday and then Tuesday into Wednesday in the single digits. And again, we could be seeing wind chills, -10, -15 degrees. So definitely going to feel the chill with this very wintry week ahead.